lecture, we spoke about creating the create user function, which will take as a parameter a name and a slice of categories, and it will return a user based on the user struct. In this lecture, it will be a really exciting one because we are building something real, something that mimic what many companies use at the core of their platform, a recommendation engine. What many tech companies do, like Netflix, Spotify, or YouTube, this platform suggests content based on what you like. And guess what? You are about to build your own version of it in Go. Let's head over to, let's jump to VS Code, and the function, it will be called recommend, and it will take a user of type user and movies, which are a slice of movie, and it will return a slice of movie. Later on in the next lecture, we will add error handling to the function. So the function, it will try to filter the movies or the list of movies and return the one that are matched with the user preferred category. So let's create a function or create a variable called suggestion. Let's try to initialize it with now we will be looping through the movie slice and try to do the filter. We don't need the index, so we will ignore it by underscore, and we will use the range function. We will create a nested loop to loop over the user preferred categories. I will use just category, and we will check if the movie dot category, it's the same as category. If yes, that's the case, we found a match, and we will append that movie to the suggestion slice. And at the end, we will return the result, which is a slice of movies in the suggestion slice. This missing parentheses, I think this is because we are missing something in our code. Let's try to find out what is the error here. Yeah, because I forgot a range function here. That was the problem. Yeah, and now we finished implementing the recommend function. Let's try to use it in our main function. And for that, let's create a movies slice. It will be a slice of movies. The first movie, let's have Inception, for example, which is of type science fiction. The second movie will be The Hangover. It's of type comedy. And I will add, just for testing, a third one, which is Interstellar. It's of type science fiction also. And we need to not forget to add the comma, because we are creating a multi-line using multi-line and not in one line. Let's try to use, let's create a suggestion variable which will hold the result from recommend function, and I will pass the user, which it was created before, and a slice of the collection of movies. Let's try to print the result. And we can use a for loop for that. I think that's it. Let's save the file and try to execute it. And I got our error, illegal type for operand. This was in yeah, I forgot to use the fmt package. Instead, and I need to import it at the top. And I'm not sure why this is. Yeah, now it's fixed, and we will add the movie. Let's try to execute again, and there we go. We got the user detail, and then the user preferred categories, and at the bottom we have the user recommended movies, which are based on, since our user is preferred categories are science fiction and comedy, we got the whole list, but let's try to delete the science fiction. and tries to execute again, it should only print the Hangover movie, which is of type comedy. That's it for this lecture, and see you in the next one.